Negative pressure inside an air handler can indeed interfere with drain line operation and lead to failed drainage. When an air handler develops negative pressure relative to the drain pan or the condensate trap, air can be drawn through the trap and disrupt the normal gravity flow of condensate. To prevent this, always refill the condensate trap with water after any cleaning or service, so the trap seal blocks air movement. Check that the drain line slope is at least 1/4 inch per foot and free of debris. A shallow slope or a partial clog amplifies the effect of any pressure imbalance. Confirm the air handler, cabinet, and access panel seat tightly and that any filter or duct leaks are repaired, because uncontrolled air paths change internal pressures and encourage siphoning through the trap. If a secondary drain pan is present, make sure its drain is unobstructed and that overflow switches are correctly positioned to cut power before water bridges seals. When reassembling the unit, run the system and pour a steady stream of water into the drain pan while watching the trap and drain line for air bubbles and steady flow. Intermittent bubbling shows air entrainment that needs sealing or trap adjustment. For persistent problems, measure static pressure with a manometer at the return and supply to identify where negative pressure is being pulled, and then isolate and correct the leak or imbalance. Common mistakes include forgetting to refill the trap after service, which allows outside air to be sucked through the line. Always pour enough water to re-establish the seal and verify it holds. Another issue is poor cabinet sealing or missing gaskets that create internal negative zones. Reseat panels and replace damaged gaskets to restore proper pressure balance. The third is insufficient drain pitch or partial clogs that make the system more sensitive to pressure changes. Clear blockages and regrade the drain to the recommended slope so gravity flow dominates. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project-specific community discussions where members share real-world experiences about issues like drain line siphoning and cabinet leaks. We make it easy for contractors to find work while helping homeowners get practical peer advice and recommendations.